Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can restore your iPad. So, how you can get into this menu. So, for doing this you just need to take your iPad and just press home button and power button here at one time for maybe about 10 seconds. So, after you will hear sound of connection to the USB, it means that you successfully get into recovery mode, and you will see here this window, and here you will see restore iPad. So just press on restore iPad, and just here you can see this message: are you sure you want to restore the iPad to the factory settings? All your media and other data will be erased, and the newest version of iPad software will be installed. iTunes will verify the restore with Apple. After the process is complete, you will have the option to restore your contacts, calendars, messages and settings. So just choose restore and update, and just wait until it will successfully um, download and install the latest software on your iPad. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.